Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your Kettlebell Core and More 10-minute quick hit. It is just a 10-minute workout where we are gonna work the entire body, so we won't do much of a warm-up, but you can go ahead and start marching and rolling those shoulders. Look at those arms up and down. 10 minutes, everything is 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds of rest, with the exception of some kettlebell swings where we'll go 30 seconds. Everything is gonna work the entire body for strength and cardio, and everything we do is also going to engage the core. So get excited, go ahead and grab one kettlebell. Keep them all close by if you've got them. We're gonna start with a deep squat, press, side knees. So watch me here, you're gonna get low, press it up, and then we got the core and the core. It's gonna get your entire body working and that heart rate work to your level. 40 seconds, here we go. Squat it down, press, side knee, side knee. So take it all different parts. You don't have to rush it, even though it's a quick hit. We want you to think about getting low for the legs, press up strong for the arms, side and side. Get low and up. Halfway there, 20 seconds to go. Legs, arms, core, and core. Keep it moving. Yes, you can. 10 seconds. Up. Yes. Last one. Woo, there we go. Feel that heart rate. Catch your breath. So now we're gonna take it to a kickstand, deadlift, and row. We'll go 40 seconds each side. It's gonna engage the core. If you wanna make it even more challenging, you can lift that leg and do the row from here. Let's get it done. Here we go, one side, kickstand and row, push up, hinge, row, push it up. If you want, one leg, drive up and through. That's where that balance comes into play. That's where we get that heart rate, but it's challenging, right? So if you need to keep that kickstand, you're still gonna keep the core working as we hinge or put the leg down on that row. 10 seconds to go. Yes, you can. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, little stretch through there. Let's get the same thing other side. So again, you can keep it staggered, just hinge and row. You still got core working, or balance to add a little bit more. Let's get it done. Hinge it in 3, 2, 1. 40 seconds. Down and up. Or here, row. We're gonna get lots of core either way. So if you'd rather get more focus on those hamstrings and the muscles in the back, keep that kickstand. Don't worry about adding the balance unless that is what is right for where you are today. It's a quick hit, so we're moving quickly. I know. Down. Yes. Breathe. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Shake it out right here. So stretch into that. Here's what we got, team. Have a seat. We're doing a little Russian twist and press. Here to here. If you'd rather take this standing, you can just twist and press from the top. If you're able, we're here, up. Arms and abs in 3, 2, 1. Twist and up. Twist. Several options with this. You can bring the feet up. You can take the weight out. If that weight feels like too much for your back, just take it here. You can also drop the weight if you need to. That heavy kettlebell might be too much. You can also just do the twist, or you can keep the feet down. Up to you. Seated is also an option. We're getting that rotation for the core. We're getting that press for the arms. Either way, nice and strong, all the way through. We got 3, 2, 1. Bring it up onto your feet halfway through. All right, team, we're gonna take it to a kettlebell swing. If you have never done a swing before, I want you to keep it with just a deadlift. It looks like this. Hinge and up. We're only going 30 seconds of this. If you are familiar with the swing, we're gonna power it back, power it up. Only 30 seconds. Go ahead, find that core engagement, hinge it here, just your deadlift or your swing. 30 seconds, prep it. 3, 2, 1, here we go, power up. Yes, you can. Drive it up and through, connect with the core. Swing is a full body move. Strength, cardio, core, all the way through. Yes, 10 seconds to go. What do you got? Stay with me. Remember this one's shorter. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Swing and relax. All right, shake it out. Give yourself a second to catch your breath. Watch me here. Gunslinger curl into a lunge. We're gonna get a little twist for our curl. So you're gonna sling it around. You're gonna lunge and twist. Back to center. If you need 2 hands, take it here. Let's get it done. Right here. Sling, lunge, and twist. Right here. Sling, lunge, and twist. If that feels like too many parts, just do a curl, lunge, and twist. You can just go 2 hands here, here, to here. If you're familiar with the slinger, here, and breathe. Yes, I know. We got both sides of this. Then we're taking it to the mat, team. Take it here. Last one. Breathe and relax. Shake it out, same thing other side. You can sling it, lunge, and twist, or 2 hands, just curl, lunge, and twist. Give yourself a second to catch that breath. I know we're moving fast with this quick hit, but we're getting it all in. Ready, here we go. Sling, lunge, and twist. Just like that squat from the beginning, we don't want to rush it, right? We want to keep it moving, but with good form, all parts. So finish the curl, finish the lunge, twist into it. Remember, you can do 2 hands. Curl, lunge, and twist. If the slinger is not right for you, up. We're just getting extra core as we go down. Keep it moving. 10 to go. Breathe. Yes. Woo! There's that balance. And relax. Shake it out. Down onto your back, team. We're gonna take it with a close grip press. So we activate those tris and those chest muscles. As we do that, we're gonna tap those toes or take it to a bridge. Whatever is good for you. Watch me right here. Little taps and taps. Up to you. Join me. 40 seconds is all we need. So close to being done with this workout. We're getting our big push muscles, chest, shoulders, tris. If you want to take it bicycle, you want to progress up to that, or again, you can always take it bridge. Getting those glutes and hammies still working. They're feeling it from that swing. But if you can, toe taps or bicycle. Yes, 10 seconds to go. So close. And breathe. Take it up and up. 3, 2, 1. Set that kettlebell down in the front. We're gonna take it to a plank right through here. We're gonna tap and tap, rotate and rotate. If that's too much, I want you to stay on the knees and just get the tap, or just do the rotate. Bring it right here. 3, 2, 1, 40 seconds. Tap, tap, and then rotate to the side, rotate to the side. You can always just do one or the other. Rotate, center, rotate. We're just trying to get those side plank in, because you know we love it. Again, if you need to be on your knees, that's an option too. Tap, tap. You can rotate to here. 10 seconds. What do you got, team? Tap, tap, rotate. Last one. Yes, this is it. Last move. One more time with that swing. I want you to give it all you got. So again, if for whatever reason you're not doing the swing today, I want a nice strong deadlift here to here, powered up. You're gonna connect with that core. You're gonna connect with the glutes and hamstrings. You're gonna get the upper body working, but not lifting, if that makes sense. Otherwise, swing it with me. This is it. We got 30 seconds. Let's get it done. Roll those shoulders back. Zip up that core. Give it all you got, because this is your last move. In 3, 2, hike it. Here we go. Last 30. What do you have? Maybe you're using this as the end, as a finisher of another long workout. Maybe this is your whole workout for the day. It's a full body workout. You're gonna get it all in 10 minutes. That's why we love these quick hits. Whatever it is, give it to me here with good form, power, strength. I want you to feel your power through this because you're powerful. 3, 2, 1, swing and relax. Hold it right here. Pedal those feet. Yes, team. Woo! Tap it out. Grab a sip of water if you need it. Ha! Woo! Give yourself a second. Let everything calm down in your body. Oh, thank your body for showing up today. That was not easy. Again, that's why we love these 10-minute quick hits. Let's just get a quick little tap out stretch. Because most of them are full body, most of them are strength and cardio. So if you have a day that you can't get much in, or you feel like you don't have enough time to get a workout in, check out these quick hits. You can get it done. You're gonna feel good, you're gonna get that energy. Your body is gonna get the benefits, I promise. You do not have to do a full 30, 40, 50-minute workout to see, excuse me, to see results. You can get it done here. Again, this is also a great finisher to other workouts. If you have a day where you get a workout and you think you still got a little gas left in the tank, go ahead, grab a 10-minute quick hit. Just as a finisher, it's like one 10-minute bonus move, right? Take it here to here. And breathe, walk it in, round it up. Let's get one big deep breath in. Thank you for joining me today. Check out all the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. You did it. That was your Kettlebell Core and More 10-minute quick hit workout. Great job, everybody.